Hello kids, welcome to my channel Kids Study Vibes. Children, today we are going to do counting together using objects. So let's start. Let's count. 1 ball. 1 2 lemons. 1 2 3 candies. 1 2 3 4 cup saucers. Well done. 1 2 3 4 5 tortoise. Superb. 1 2 3 4 5 6 stars. Let's count the next object. Come on. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 flowers. Superb. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 balloons. Let's count together the next object. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 gifts. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 apples. Children, keep practicing. Bye bye.